The second-generation Mercedes-Benz Class Coupe made quite an impression when it went on sale in 2014. It eschewed its predecessor's chiseled lines, replacing them with a softer, more fluid-looking vehicle. The overtly aerodynamic coupe has been facelifted for 2018, and although it retains its Class Coupe styling, there's more tech under the skin to keep it at, or near, the top of the class. Mercedes-Benz doesn't have the compact coupe market to itself. The Class Coupe comes up against some very impressive rivals, such as Audi A5 Coupe and BMW 4 Series Coupe, but they're not the only ones this super sleek contender is looking at. Factor in the bargain-priced Ford Mustang Fastback and the impressively screwed-together Lexus RC, and it's tough out there. But Mercedes-Benz has things covered with its Class Coupe, especially in facelifted. The looks alone guarantee decent sales, with its slinky two-door bodywork complemented by new and more aggressive-looking bumpers, as well as brand-new LED head and taillights. Mercedes-Benz Class Coupe, sleek but roomy. It's surprising, given the aggressive slope of the roofline towards the back of the cabin, that there's space for 4 adults in the coupe, although admittedly headroom in the back is at more of a premium than in a saloon. There's ample leg and elbow room, but be aware this class only has 4 seats. There's no option for a center seatbelt on the rear bench, either. Mercedes-Benz Class Coupe interior 01.jpg. Up front, the sports seats with integrated head restraints are unique to the Class Coupe, but the main dashboard is identical to that fitted to the saloon and estate. Differences are more conspicuous outside. The scalloping along the bodywork extends much further towards the rear of the car. The back end featuring wide slender tail lamps to create further distinction from its more practical siblings. Mimicking other sportier Mercedes-Benz models, the new for 2018 grille features jewel-like detailing, radiating out from the 3-pointed star badge at its center, now familiar across the rest of the range. In typical tradition for the brand, the Class Coupe stores are frameless, but unlike larger coupes from Mercedes-Benz, the rear side windows are fixed. Mercedes-Benz Class engines, updated for 2018. There's a wide range of power plants for the Mercedes-Benz Class Coupe, but the UK market doesn't receive all of them. The range has been tidied up with the 2018 facelift, but essentially, it's shared with the saloon and estate, aside from the entry-level C200D. For 2018, Mercedes-Benz has made a great coupe even better. That means you get 2 petrols C200 and C300, 1 diesel C220D, and a lineup of AMG performance models, which from launch comprise of the C43 AMG 4MATIC, and will be joined later in 2018 by the impressive C63 AMG. Simplified Class Coupe model range. All Mercedes-Benz Class Coupes aside from the AMG models come in AMG line form. These are generously appointed and come with a raft of standard safety equipment, making the coupe one of the safest two-door models on sale. On top of this, you can choose either the Premium or the Premium Plus equipment lines, full details of which are on the equipment section of this review. Read more. Mercedes-Benz Class specs and options. The safety kit can be beefed up with a wide range of supplementary kit optionally available. For example, Intelligent Drive employs a pair of cameras alongside radar to monitor road and traffic conditions more effectively than radars alone can manage. Dominating the center of the dashboard is the 10-inch tablet-style display screen for the command infotainment system, which includes sat-nav. Cleverly, information from the navigation system informs the climate control how to react to situations such as entering a tunnel. Do so, and it automatically recirculates the air within the cabin rather than extract unwanted exhaust fumes from inside. The Mercedes-Benz Class Coupe is a handsome car, and one of the biggest-selling coupes on the market. Given its great styling and the sheer completeness of its safety equipment, this success is clearly warranted. Clearly, it's a coupe with its heart set on comfort over precision dynamics, but it's none the worse for that. With its improved engine lineup, and additional kit via its 2018 facelift, the Class Coupe has desirability on its side, and looks set to continue being a substantial success for its maker. It's not perfect, with an interior that lags behind the Audi A5 in terms of material quality, and the BMW 4 Series for dynamic precision. But overall, it's a compelling proposition in this market sector, and probably the best overall compromise available at the moment, if its owner is looking for comfort and an easy drive. The other area of disappointment are the uninspiring engines. They may well be economical and punchy, but the four-cylinder cars sound rough, even if they are well insulated. Arriving with the 2018 facelift is the entry-level Class Coupe's new 1.5-litre four-cylinder petrol engine. It's available with a power output of 184 horsepower, and is a mild hybrid, with coasting function. The C200 is capable of speeds of up to 149 miles per hour and 062 miles per hour time of 7.9 seconds. Despite this, it returns a claimed 46.3 miles per gallon according to official figures. Emissions are quoted at 140 GkM of CO2 when riding on the standard 18-inch wheels. Those seeking more power should consider the C300 with 255 horsepower. This is up from the previous model's 247. It's available only with a new 9-speed automatic transmission and completes the 062 miles per hour sprint in just 6.0 seconds. Just one Class Coupe diesel engine for 2018 reflecting the changing market. There's only one diesel version of the 2018 Mercedes-Benz Class Coupe. The C220D is now powered by a new 2.0-litre motor, developing 194 horsepower. Claimed fuel consumption is 61.4 miles per gallon according to official figures, and CO2 emissions are 121 GkM on standard 18-inch wheels. Mercedes-AMG C43 updated for 2018. Sitting above the C300 is the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC, powered by a 3.0-litre twin-turbo V6 petrol capable of propelling the class from 062 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds thanks to 390 horsepower and a hefty 520 Nm of torque. It's not a full-fat AMG, just looking like a regular AMG line model but with stealthy performance and an engaging engine and exhaust note that isn't too loud if you're not in Sport Plus mode. So it's the kind of performance saloon you can enjoy and make use of every day. In reality it feels more Mercedes and less AMG than we'd been expecting. The C63 AMG will be joining the range later in 2018, no doubt addressing that slight disappointment.